Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. And this video we are going to open box MacBook Pro 16-inch. That's here. That's the latest MacBook. Came in November 2019. I believe it was launched in mid-November, November 15, 2019, and it was available online and on the store to buy. So actually I have a MacBook Pro here already. Which one is over here, 15-inch. And that's I bought in 2013. Since I'm trying to make a more better videos, so this MacBook Pro was not able to run some of the software, and I was looking for one, and suddenly I got offer from Apple, and I couldn't refuse, so I bought this one. So in this video we will open box, we will look around and see how it look like and what you have to do when you have to set up first time. I'm not going to review this time because I don't know the performance or anything. We will review in the next video, but in this video we will open box and we will set up, we will look how it looks. And before we go to the video, I just wanna clear that this video is not sponsored by anybody. This video I'm making with my own money, and I try to help my audience. If anybody want to buy a laptop like that, so what they're expecting when they open box and when they try to set up at the first time. So now let's move to we're gonna open box and we're gonna set up for the first time. Let's look to it's really nice packed inside the box. It's a way thinner than my old one. The one I have already is thicker, but this one is way thinner and also lighter. Inside the package we got a USB-C charging cable, we got some instructions, and we got a power adapter. That's all you will get inside the box. Now let's open plastic and see how it look. I order gray color. It's the same as was expected. Like I have only USB-C ports. We have 4 ports, 2 one side and 2 one side plus audio jack. That's all you get on this one. If you compare with my previous one, physically have not big difference. They both look same, not a bigger difference in size or physically, but only the newest one is way thinner than my old one. And if you compare about the ports, I see the problem here probably like you have to buy some kind of things to like a docking station or something, because the old one have a card slot, some other extra ports, but this one have only USB-C ports. You cannot use any regular USB pen drives or stuff like that. Now let's open.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Let's go start. It's asking for language. I'm sticking with the English. If you want to change any other language, you can use it. So we're gonna click enter. So over here I have to choose my area. It's already picked up in United States. I'm gonna click on continue. Over here asking me if you want to transfer any of my information from other PC or window. No, I don't want. I'm gonna click continue. If you want, you can choose it. We have to set up our Apple ID, or you can just skip it right now and you can do later. It says set up later. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set up later. If you have some kind of a paid software, or you bought some kind of software, then you have to put your Apple ID. You have to agree, create your computer name. I'm going to name mine. Now the next step, we are going to set up Touch ID. Continue. The way you want to look like your desktop theme, I'm going to go to light. So now our MacBook is ready to use. I just process through the simple steps. As soon as I have started, it's asking me to update my software. I will do later. Let's compare a little bit more with my oldest one. As we talked earlier, physically they are both same size, but they say this one is 16-inch, this one is a 15-inch. But if you look to the screen right now, this one have some space on the side like a black area. So this one is not, so that's why they're counting 16-inch, 15.4-inch. This one have a touch bar. This one, the oldest one, have a buttons over here. It also have a touch ID to log into our computer. Little bit of mouse pad is bigger than the old one. Now look around it, which one I didn't like. This one have a 4 USB-C ports to this side, to this side. And the oldest one have a lot of ports. We have a charging ports, Ethernet ports, mini HDMI ports. We have a 2 USB ports like regular USB, micro SD card slot, like a audio jack and everything. But problem with this one, we're not gonna be able to connect any regular USB drive or something until we get some kind of a docking station or a converter. And also the charging, the best thing I found, like you can charge to any USB-C port, you can charge your laptop, you can also use as an external display to any port. And the oldest one, the charging, I like it. You can just leave closed or whatever. You don't even need to look around it. It will start charging. But this one, as it goes inside the USB-C port, you have to be exactly inside. If you mess with it, it's gonna be chances to break it. That's, I think, all the difference I've seen around. This one you have, when you buy this one, you also have to buy some docking station to use regular USB stuff. In this video, I will say we're gonna finish here. I will use this laptop for a couple days and then we're gonna make a video. We'll review about the performance or anything I like or I don't like about it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.